If you are fed up with the endless traffic snarls, frustrating parking hunts, and the exhausting ordeal of navigating your way to the mall, then you're not alone. But fear not, because we've got the ultimate solution to your urban grocery trips. Introducing the top electric cargo bikes of 2024, ready to revolutionize your journey and make every trip a breeze. Before we delve into our list, please note that our picks are in no exact order, so stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect utility electric bike that meets your individual needs. Introducing the Aventon Abound Ebike, a revolutionary solution for urban transportation and cargo hauling. The Abound Ebike combines robust performance with versatile functionality to meet the diverse needs of modern commuters and logistics enthusiasts. Boasting a top speed of 20 miles per hour and propelled by a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor, this bike can effortlessly handle payloads of up to 440 pounds over distances of up to 50 miles on a single charge. Its step-through frame design not only enhances accessibility, but also allows for easy loading and unloading of cargo. With its integrated throttle and torque sensor, the Abound Ebike offers responsive acceleration and efficient power delivery, while the 4-pedal assist levels, Eco, Tour, Sport, and Turbo, provide adaptable support for various riding conditions. Safety is paramount, as evidenced by the inclusion of hydraulic brakes and integrated turn signals, ensuring confident handling and visibility on busy city streets. Furthermore, the front headlight illuminates the path ahead, enhancing nighttime visibility. Whether you're running errands, transporting goods, or even ferrying the kids around town, the Aventon Abound Ebike offers boundless possibilities for practical, sustainable, and enjoyable transportation. The KBO Ranger Electric Cargo Ebike stands as a versatile solution for both practical cargo hauling and comfortable commuting. Constructed with a durable 6061 aluminum bike frame, it boasts a remarkable max load capacity of up to 400 pounds, with an extra-large rear rack supporting an additional load of up to 120 pounds. This e-bike offers exceptional stability and versatility, featuring 4 transporting goods modes and 3 carrying passengers modes, accommodating various cargo needs. Equipped with a powerful 750-watt motor and boasting a maximum motor torque of 86 Nm, the Ranger effortlessly tackles steep inclines and rugged terrain, providing smooth rides even for riders weighing up to 300 pounds on 30-degree hills. Its 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires ensure superior traction and shock absorption, making it suitable for diverse environments from mountains to city streets. With a 48-volt 17.5 ampere-hour, 840 watt-hour removable battery, the Ranger delivers an impressive range of over 60 miles, supported by a 0 to 5 level pedal assist system. Additionally, ergonomic design features such as the half-twist throttle and Shimano 7-speed shifter ensure precise control and comfort for riders ranging from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 3 inches. The KBO Ranger Electric Cargo Ebike redefines convenience and performance, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting, cargo transport, and leisure rides alike. The Lectric XPedition emerges as a pinnacle of electric bike innovation, boasting unparalleled capabilities to meet the diverse needs of riders seeking ultimate transportation solutions. Designed to conquer challenging terrains and accommodate heavy loads of up to 450 pounds, this cargo e-bike ensures a seamless riding experience for a wide range of users. Whether it's parents commuting with their children or delivery drivers covering extensive distances, the XPedition rises to the occasion with unwavering reliability. Featuring a powerful 1310-watt peak rear hub motor and an upgraded Lectric PWR programming, riders can expect exceptional performance with 85 Nm of torque, ensuring effortless climbs and swift acceleration. The option for a dual battery setup extends the ride range to an impressive 150 miles, providing ample power for extensive journeys without compromise. With its 48-volt, 14 ampere-hour long-range lithium-ion battery, boasting 672 watt-hours, riders can enjoy extended rides without worrying about battery life. Furthermore, The integration of hydraulic disc brakes and an ergonomic frame design ensures precise control and comfort, even when carrying substantial cargo. With Lectric's commitment to innovation and quality, the XPedition stands as the epitome of reliability and performance in the realm of electric cargo bikes, ready to embark on any transportation adventure alongside its riders. The Aipas electric cargo bike redefines urban commuting with its unparalleled combination of power, range, and versatility. Boasting a dual battery system, riders can choose between a single 48-volt, 14.4 ampere-hour LG lithium battery for a mileage of 70 miles or opt for the dual battery configuration, totaling 28.4 ampere-hour for an extended range of up to 140 miles. With its 750-watt motor effortlessly tackling uphill climbs and supporting weights of up to 450 pounds, this bike is a versatile solution for various riders, from parents transporting their kids to delivery services hauling goods. The adjustable stem and genuine leather handlebars ensure a comfortable riding experience, while the low step-through frame design caters to individuals of all ages and abilities. Safety is paramount with features like Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, hydraulic lockout suspension front fork, and 20-foot x 3.0 fat tires providing superior traction and stability. Equipped with front and tail lights, reflectors, turn signals, and loud horns, the Aipas electric cargo bike guarantees optimal visibility and safety, whether navigating rough terrain or cruising along smooth pavement. The specialized Globe Haul ST stands out as the ultimate companion for any adventure, offering unrivaled versatility and performance to suit every rider's needs. With a remarkable cargo capacity of 419 pounds, including the rider, and a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, this fully customizable electric bike empowers riders to go wherever they desire with everything they need. Whether it's transporting kids, kayaks, or groceries, the Globe Haul ST handles it all effortlessly, thanks to its powerful 700-watt rear hub motor and 772 watt-hour battery. The integrated front and rear lights ensure visibility from dawn till dusk, while the inclusive design accommodates riders of all sizes comfortably. Featuring a unique single-size frame and adjustable fit, the Globe Haul ST guarantees a comfortable ride for riders ranging from 4 feet 5 inches to 6 feet 4 inches. Equipped with MIK-compatible rear rack, full coverage fenders, and center stand, this bike is ready to roll straight out of the box. Moreover, its auxiliary mounting points allow for further customization with a wide range of Globe accessories. With its sturdy construction, ample carrying capacity, and exceptional range, the specialized Globe Haul ST redefines what's possible with an electric bike, empowering riders to explore new horizons with confidence and ease. So, which electric cargo bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric bikes and urban mobility solutions. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.